This volume profile is outdated. Why? Because it only shows you the result and only shows how much traded. This profile shows me who's in control. This one shows me imbalances over time. This one shows me where the most activity is right now. And this one shows me where all the money is currently flowing. This is the point of control, the highest volume of the session. But here's the problem. This looks balanced. I have no idea who's actually in control. Now look at this profile. Early in the session, buyers and sellers fought for control. But since then, aggressive sells have dominated this area. Look at example number 2. This is a massive bar that's above the value area. But volume profile is still emphasizing the value area, which makes sense. This is where activity built up over time. But where is the actual activity happening right now? Watch this. This profile shows activity over each price move. All these yellow highlighted boxes are for the current bar. Right here, this is where the most participation is happening. Almost 40% of volume on this move happened in this region. Look at example number 3. This is the money flow profile. Now look at this price region. Over 130 million USD has been traded right here. But price is struggling to stay up there. Some might call this rejection. And a lot of traders that got involved up here might now be on the wrong side of this move. Now at this point you can probably figure out these 4 profiles are showing something that you can't see in a traditional volume profile. And yes, this is a free tool. I'm here to make friends, not enemies, and I'll show you how to get this at the end of the video. There's 2 mainstream profiles that traders commonly use: regular volume profile and time price opportunity. The indicator I've made for you guys here takes the best parts of both of these profiles and combines them. Traditional volume profile shows you how much was traded throughout the session as a final result, and a time price opportunity profile has nothing to do with volume. But here's what this profile does well. It segments the trading sessions into time blocks and then assigns letters of the alphabet to each time block. This is not the video to discuss how to evaluate that. All you need to know is that volume profile shows you the final result, and a TPO chart does the exact same thing, but it also shows you how the result got there. So we take volume profiles data and shove it into TPO's time block segments. And this gives us a volume profile that shows us what happened over time. Technical analysis euphoria. There's 4 models for this: CVD, imbalance ratio, activity, and USD volume. And yes, I can add more. Let me know in the comments below if you have a good idea. The CVD model shows us cumulative volume delta at each price level throughout the session. This is the model we use to see who's more aggressive over time. The second model, the imbalance ratio, shows the imbalance between aggressive buys and sells at each level over time. So you can measure exactly how much what side was dominant in the moment. The third profile type is the activity profile. This shows where the majority of activity on each bar took place. And the final profile type is USD volume. This shows how much of the quote currency was traded over time at each level. Select the model type you're most interested in and choose the time frame to calculate on. This option is important. It will be set to your chart time frame by default. But if your profile starts to look like this and you get this warning, you can fix this by either increasing the time frame to calculate on or by increasing the ticks per row setting here. And you can even configure these profiles to calculate over a fixed time period. You can drag this line down here to force the profile to only calculate on the candles that you care about. If you don't use the fixed start feature, the profiles will recalculate once per day. Some of you might be fine with that, and some of you might yell at me because you want another option. So let me know in the comments below. Now it's time for the secret ritual. To get this indicator, all you have to do is click the indicator button on TradingView and type in CVD Profile. Just favorite the indicator from here and it's yours forever, as long as TradingView doesn't delete it. And if you can't find it when you're looking, just go to the Trading IQ profile and you'll find it there. This indicator has probably been live for a couple days before this YouTube video. If you follow us on TradingView, you can get access to these tools before I ever make a video about it. If you're looking for a trading home, check out the Trading IQ Discord server, and if you join and put on the IQ Brotherhood server tag, you get access to this channel here, which lets you directly influence what I build next. And yes, I take it very seriously. So get in there and let everyone know how great your idea is. And if you want to keep having fun in the markets with me, feel free to subscribe, like, and comment on the video. That's going to be it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.